Motivational speech presents attachment is the source of all suffering. You only lose what you cling to. Things are as they are. We suffer because we imagined different. To be free from suffering, free yourself from attachments. Try not to confuse attachment with love. Attachment is about fear and dependency and has more to do with love of self than love of another. Love without attachment is the purest love. Everything is temporary. Emotions, thoughts, people and scenery. Do not become attached, just flow with it. It is a sign of great character and strength to be able to lose your attachment to anyone or anything that is not good for. Attachment constrains our vision so that we are not able to see things from a wider perspective. Be completely free from the contamination of material attachment. Attachment is the state of ignorance or forgetfulness and thus clinging to a memory of enjoyment. Attachment is the great fabricator of illusions. Reality can be attained only by someone who is detached. Look within, be still, free from fear and attachment. Know the sweet joy of living in the way. Drop the idea that attachment and love are one thing. They are enemies. It is attachment that destroys all love. Never get too attached to everyone because attachment leads to expectations and expectations lead to suffering. Attachment is the another name of disappointment and pain. Don't blame people for disappointing you. Blame yourself for expecting too much from them. The less attached you are, the more peaceful you are. Attachment leads to jealousy, the shadow of greed that is. Train yourself to let go of everything you fear to lose. Nothing ever belongs to you, even you will be returned. Don't get attached. Have a mind that is open to everything and attached to nothing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.